Welcome from Tokyo Narita. I arrived Tokyo earlier this morning with my Lufthansa first class flight from Frankfurt. It was such a great flight and I hope this video is online already. If it's online, you can check it out now. And unfortunately, I have to go now from first class to low cost. Because today or this evening I want to try Jetstar Japan here from Narita to Osaka in their economy class. Jetstar Japan is a typical budget airline, so I'm really excited what they offer on their flight to Osaka. And now I'm inside Terminal 2. If you arrive Narita by train, then you have to enter the airport at Terminal 2 and take a little walk outside to Terminal 3. But first I will check out Terminal 2 and then let's find out what Jetstar Japan offers on their flight to Osaka. And this is one observation deck here on top of Terminal 2. Terminal 2 offers two observation decks on each side of the building. And here I have a beautiful view over the whole apron and also Terminal 3. There right behind me you see already some Jetstar planes. Unfortunately, I have to kill about 2 more hours till my check-in opens. And I think this observation deck here is the best place to spend some time. Alright, arrived at Terminal 3 and the walk was not so bad like I expected, but if you don't want to walk, there is also a free shuttle bus. Right behind me you see the huge check-in area of Jetstar. My check-in will open in about 20 minutes and like a real budget airline, there are only self-check-in kiosks and a self-baggage drop-off for domestic flights. I will try them very soon and then let's go straight to the security check and to our gate. I sit now inside the Jetstar gate area. They call it the satellite building. As you can see it, everything is empty. My flight is the last domestic flight of the day, and maybe that's the reason why the whole security check was so fast. There were no people, everything was so quickly. But what I don't understand, did you saw my check-in process? I was able to check in at the check-in kiosk 3 hours prior departure. But if you want to drop off your baggage, the baggage drop-off works only 2 hours prior departure. So I had to spend an hour there, I had some dinner, I got a burger and wait there an hour for nothing. That's something you have to know. If you want to drop off your baggage with Jetstar, it works only 2 hours prior departure. Now I'm here and the satellite building looks really basic. They have just some chairs, no power outlets, there is no lounge, and they have just a little Jetstar shop where you can buy some meals or some snacks, some drinks and some Jetstar souvenirs. If you want to buy a Jetstar souvenir here, you can do it. Also there are some vending machines, nothing special, so I think I will just sit here and wait for my flight. The plane for my flight today just arrived. It is an Airbus A320. Jetstar Japan operates only planes of the type Airbus A320 and A321. This plane was delivered in June 2012 to Jetstar Japan. That means it is 10 years old now. The Airbus A320 offers 180 seats in 30 rows in a 3-3 configuration. There is only economy class, no business class. You have just a few rows with more legroom and that's it. So now it's time for boarding. Alright, here I am. Welcome on board Jetstar's Airbus A320. My seat for the flight today is 4F and you see it, today I need a face mask again. So long time it was not necessary, but here in Japan it is. So what can I do? I have to use it. Okay, the boarding is still in progress. As a passenger with a window seat, you had the Group 2 after the priority boarding, and so I think the cabin is really full, so I make it quickly now. What can I say about the seats? I have to say the seat pitch or the leg room is really poor. If I compare it to other airlines, I mean, this A320 have 180 seats and that is really the total. There is no space for more seats, so there is not too much space for legroom. Yeah, I'm not really tall, so it's not a problem for me, but I think taller persons could have some problems. In front of me I have just a little reading material, a table, and that's it. I don't think that the seat here next to me remains free, so if there come a lot of people now, I say see you during the flight. We are in the air now, and here I have my pre-ordered meal. During booking you can order a meal already, and the cabin crew was really fast. I was not even ready. As soon as the fasten seatbelt signs were switched off, they came around with my meal. I choose some fried noodles and black coffee. That's it for today. You can buy something also here on board, like a buy on board menu, but it is like I said before, the cabin is completely full. It's really packed, every seat is taken, and also the cabin crew looks not so happy about the camera, so I think this will be maybe a short video. Bad for me, but it is like it is. I had so many times really luck about the seat neighbor and about everything, so it's okay. I will enjoy my meal now, and then I'll see you later. Okay, it's tasty, it's hot, not the best meal, but if I compare with other economy class meals or with other low-cost airlines, it's okay. Okay, now they surprise me a little bit. It looks like that I got with my online booking also a little 500 yen voucher for the menu card. And that's the reason why I choose now 2 waffles. I don't want to eat them now, I will take them home with me inside the hotel for later, but that's really nice. We started our descent into Osaka already. The cabin is getting dark, and if I'm honest, I'm not really sad that this flight comes to an end. It was nothing special and I'm really tired after my long-haul flight, so I'm happy when I'm on the ground. The captain said maybe during the approach we get some turbulences, so I would say enjoy now the views out of the window, and I will see you on the ground with my summary about Jetstar. Welcome from Osaka. I'm inside my hotel already and look how small it is. I mean, I heard it many times, but now I see it with my own eyes. Look just at this little bed. I'm not a tall person, but I scare already that I'm too big for this bed. Everything looks great, it is modern, I have so many amenities here, but it is so small. The reason why I'm already inside my hotel is when I reached the baggage claim area, there was my luggage already. I just took my luggage and went to the train station because it was late. It was the last domestic flight of the day and I had to catch a train there. If I missed the train there, then I had to pay a taxi from the airport into Osaka city, and that with this taxi I had to pay more for the taxi than for the whole flight, and that's really not worth the money. I'm happy that I'm here now. But now let's talk about Jetstar. I don't know what I have to say about them. It was not a great adventure, it was just cheap. I booked the flight for 70 euro and it came with 30 kilogram carry-on luggage included, 14 kilogram hand luggage included, the pre-booked meal, and I mean, if I compare it just with the train from Tokyo to Osaka, it's much cheaper. But also I know many low-cost carrier with a better service, and I don't know, the crew was not really friendly. When she saw me filming before the takeoff, she said I cannot film during the takeoff and landing, and that was a point I thought, okay, maybe that's it for now and I have to stop the video. But I thought also maybe I show you just so much as I can that you can, or that you know what you expect with Jetstar. That's it. I don't enjoy this flight so much, but you know now what you expect if you fly with Jetstar. It is a cheap airline. They bring you from Tokyo to Osaka on time. We were there 30 minutes before our scheduled arrival time. That was great. They had my carry-on luggage on time. Everything was good about this, but only just the flight experience was not so great for me, for myself. That's my opinion. I think maybe everyone thinks something else, and I don't want to say so much now. I fly back to Tokyo with another low-cost carrier, and maybe then I can compare it and you can compare it, so stay tuned. If you like my video, I know it was a short video, you can subscribe my channel, and now I will enjoy a few days of holiday here in Osaka, and I say bye bye from Osaka.